Hey everybody, this is Eli Freestone and you're watching my progress video for IPv term 1503. So we're just going to go over a quick what I've done in the last couple of days on my proof of concept for IPD1 or IPv, depending on what you call it. Uh, Overall, the progress is going pretty good. The looks of the app, it doesn't look like there's been a whole lot done yet, but there is a lot going on behind the scenes, getting everything set up and really working towards not only completing the proof of concept, but also getting myself set up for how the application is going to be built for next month for the final project. Uh, I am using Parse for my backend. I do have the Parse login actually set up, although it's not skinned yet. It is functional. Now let's go ahead and fire it up here. I'm actually going to probably tweak my icon a little bit more. I'm not really sure exactly what I'm going to do with it yet, but I think I'm going to do some more tweaks to it as as time is available. That is, but and I will also be skinning the login here uh, to to match the whole feel of the application. But so far I have the four tabs. I only have the one table view at the moment. But Browse will also have a table view, although it will have different sort features. I have added a hideable sort feature, although it's not actually hooked up. I just wanted to show that this is the way it'll most likely be put together mechanics-wise. The look of it is not necessarily where I want it to be. The same with the table view itself, and this is just a random recipes array that I had in another old project, or actually a test project. I think I got it from some sort of a tutorial at some point. I honestly don't remember exactly where, but I just needed to throw something together to have an array of some sort to fill up my table view. But so it does work to show kind of at least the start. Here's actually a bug I've already found with the way I've implemented the hiding of the sort is the frame actually isn't going back to 0 all the way. Again, it's not necessarily going to end up staying exactly the way it is, so I'm not too worried yet about this. I will definitely be taking care of it in the very near future, but I'm also going to be using the parse table view, and they have a different type of sort and search, so I'm not going to put too much effort into this particular implementation because it will be getting replaced actually really quickly. I'll probably start putting together some stuff to send up to Parse, so I can utilize that. Although I don't know if that'll happen with the part of the proof of concept. It's not really necessary there. But then I'll have timers here. I'm not 100% how I'm going to set those up. I also still need to figure out exactly how I'm going to do the timers from detail views, but I do have a lot of good ideas on how to do it. Right now I'm thinking I will probably do some sort of a attributed string for the timer, and then I think I'll probably capture what would normally be a hyperlink for an NS-URL and actually trigger my timer starts from that. I just really need to figure out the best way to implement it, but again, that's all next month stuff. I'm just trying to set myself up as well as I can this month to really get things going correctly. But yeah, it's also I'm able to log out. Right now, it's just a single button in the middle. I've kind of thrown around doing some sort of a like a menu drawer or something, kind of an Android style type deal. But it's not really something that you see a lot in iOS apps, so I'm not really sure I'll go that route. But at the moment, the only place you can log out is the settings. Again, that's not necessarily a problem as long as there's somewhere to log out. But it won't be just a single button, chilling in the middle of the view like that. Anyways, that's about it. This has been Eli Freestone. This is my progress video for IPv term 1503. Thank you for watching, and have a good night.